Okay guys, I'm over here again in Barrio Provenza. Muchachos, hola, estoy aquí de regreso en Barrio Provenza. So today I'm going slow with the camera and I got it on the right settings. Hoy despacio con la cámara y lo tengo en la configuración que es. Entonces vamos a conocer, let's go see. Y enseguida voy a seguir grabando, pero sin el audio, without the audio. I'm going to continue filming so that way, because all the noise and all the music. What's up? How you doing? Good?
Awesome. What are you visiting from?
I'm from the States, but I've been living here for a long time. You too, brother. Entonces, ahí hay un extranjero. Bueno, let's go. I'm gonna go do this. But when I edit, you're not gonna hear all that music because I want to avoid the copyright claims. It's a headache. Quiero evitar los copyright claims, entonces no voy a dejar que se escuche todo eso después allá con toda la música. It's pretty quiet today, it's a Monday night. Está muy calmado la cosa, muy quietica. Es un lunes en la noche de Semana Santa. This is Monday during Holy Week. So with the curfew, things are pretty quiet. It's about 9 p.m. Con el toque de queda, todo está muy callado, muy calmado. Bueno, es lunes también, it's Monday. Let's continue, sigamos.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute. another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.